Hello everyone, it's day 3. Hang around to see the awesome things we did this day. First up, the Whirlpool Aero Car. Can you believe we are actually doing this? Hanging over the Niagara gorge, feeling the wind in our hair, it's insane. Imagine, just a short distance away lies this massive body of water, dividing two nations but connecting them through their shared natural wonder. I'm freaking out because we are about to live out a bucket list moment. Alright, so we are rocking our ponchos like total pros, ready to conquer Niagara Falls. This is our first time seeing it up close. And let me tell you, it's even more insane than we imagined. The water is absolutely raging, and we are getting soaked. Our hair is a total mess, but it's worth it for this epic view. We are on this boat, and it's like we are right in the middle of the action. The mist is hitting us from all angles, and the roar of the falls is deafening. It's crazy how powerful nature is. Just look at this. This is why we came to Niagara. next stop, the boys are out there racing go-karts. I'm not sure who's having more fun, them or the go-karts. We are starving now, like seriously, hungry mode activated. So, we are ditching the go-karts and heading straight for some authentic Sri Lankan food. I'm talking kottu, the good stuff. Can't wait to taste that explosion of flavors in my mouth. It's gonna be like a taste of home, but way better because we are in Canada. Next, we went to a special place where butterflies live. It was like a butterfly paradise. There were so many different kinds, and they were so colorful. We saw them flying around everywhere, and some even landed on us. It was amazing to see so many butterflies in one place.
Wow, so nice.
After that, we went shopping and then headed back to Niagara Falls to watch a fireworks show. There were lots of people there, but we found a parking spot and a good place to watch. The fireworks were beautiful and colorful. Then it was time to go back to our Airbnb. We were surprised by a big cloud of mist. It was so thick we couldn't see very far, but we got home safely. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll visit more cool places. Until that, goodbye.